Hey, great day, blokes. This is from English Talkies. Today I have a quite interesting topic for you. Come on and let's rock. English, English is an exquisite language. It is fascinating and filled with emotions, and well-structured sentence formation can make you to attain invincible status. One such tool assists you to employ to make their words memorable or idioms and phrases. It is important for us to understand the concept and the correct usage of idioms and phrases. Here in this video, we would focus on phrases. Generally, what are phrases? Phrases are the combination of words comes together as a conceptual unit. It doesn't give meaning individually, but could be used to convey a certain scenario. We could get acquainted by working on with the following illustrations. The first one, in all likelihood. We use this expression to say that something is probably true or gonna happen. For example, in all likelihood, curfew will be relaxed after 17th of May. One more example for you guys. In all likelihood, the gold rate will be decreased in a short period of time. Okay, let's move on to the next. Not in a million years. We use this expression to say that we will never do something or that something will never happen. In short, not in a million years means never. For example, I'm asking a person, do you smoke? The person responds, not in a million years. So it means I never do that. Alright? The next one, at the end of the day. We use this expression to introduce a conclusion or to summarize a position. Let's have an example now. We went into business to improve on the services other shops are offering. Okay, but at the end of the day, you are in business to make money. Yes, of course. Alright, the fourth one. What I'm trying to say is, we use this expression to point out our actual meaning. Let's get into a better idea about looking into the example. Your work is not good. You're often late and you don't seem to care. Oh, I'm sorry, it won't happen again. No, what I'm trying to say is that if you don't change, I will have to fire you. And the last one, I don't mean to. We use this expression before we say something that might sound bad. For example, if we say, I don't mean to criticize, we are probably going to say something negative, but we don't want the other person to be offended. Okay, let's have some example now. Sorry, I don't mean to complain, but this chicken is really bad. Oh, I'm terribly sorry, sir. I'll take it back right away. Alright guys, so I have given you some 5 phrases. You can also practice with your own example, and if it's possible, you can give your solutions in the comment section. I could try to give up some corrections for you as well. And in the upcoming video, you would be knowing about idioms. Cheers guys, have a great day.